Hi, how are you today? So tomorrow the matches of Waldner Cup will start. Here's the schedule of the event. Ma Long, Chen Meng, and Team World are all ready. Mr. Waldner is also very happy. The Waldner Cup begins on December 13th and concludes on December 15th. You can watch it live at waldnerlive.com.
First match is going to be women's doubles, so looking forward to that?
Yes, first of all, I'm really excited to play in Waldner Cup and with the team captain Malong. And yes, I'm really ready to play women doubles with Shin Yubin. I've seen her playing. She's a great player, and I think we will play our best and we'll try to win for our team.
Awesome, and you're looking forward to the Waldner Cup as a whole. It's quite a different event, something a bit new, so pretty exciting, I think.
Yeah, it's really a great initiative by Waldner, Mr. Waldner, and I'm really happy that he's promoting table tennis to be, famous worldwide. And yes, I'm really excited to play this, my first tournament, Waldner Cup.
Awesome, well enjoy the event and good luck.
Thank you.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.